Stop overspending on DAP and potash applications on your winter wheat ground. You're not getting the results you're paying for. 10-20-10 Plus can give you everything you're paying for at a lower cost and so much more. So why should you use 10-20-10 Plus on your winter wheat this fall? I'm sure you're used to using DAP and potash. Well, with rising costs of DAP, you can save a lot of money up front and get a lot more benefit out of our 10-20-10 Plus. What is the most important thing to focus on in the fall? It's downward growth. You want to get a really strong root system. And so that's why we push 10-20-10 Plus more than anything else. And so that way you get that good root system off your phosphorus application, which really helps with the plant's immune system going through the winter time and preventing against cold stress. Now, what is the plus in 10-20-10 Plus? The plus is our BioAct, a germinator to help with germination. It is a seed safe product, so you can go right over the top of the seed after you use your no-till drill. And then there is a root promoter in there to aid in root development of that phosphorus that you're putting down. And we also give you a prebiotic application to increase your soil's microbes. Now they will go dormant over the winter time, but they're gonna come out of dormancy in full force, and you get a whole mix of micronutrients like your cobalt, boron, manganese, copper, zinc, and molybdenum as well, because your micronutrients are just as important as your main essential NPK nutrients. So how easy is it to apply 10-20-10 Plus? Well, all you gotta do is mix it with water. Like I said before, it's seed safe, has a very low salt content, so it's not gonna corrode your spray equipment. And the beauty of 10-20-10 is you can mix it with any herbicide. I'd still recommend jar testing it because you never know what you're gonna get. But we've never run into an issue tank mixing that product, so it makes a one pass, one application system that saves you a lot of money on diesel. And with average cost this year at $904 for a ton of DAP, every bit of money that you can save on the upfront is profit on the back end. Now you're getting a lot better product than that DAP and potash application, get away with a lot less and get a lot more out of it. So if you want to see if 10-20-10 is right for you and your farm, give us a call today. Your local soil advisors can help you out. See what rates work best for your farm. Go to agritecint.com and you'll find all the information you can need.